Looking to offer personalized gaming console bundles in your Prestashop store? Want to let customers build their own gaming setups with ease? Welcome to the feature video of the Prestashop Custom Gaming Console Builder module, a powerful tool that transforms your store into a fully customizable gaming bundle experience. This module is developed by FME Modules, a leading Prestashop development company with over 140 modules in its catalog. Let's see what this module can do for you. Empower customers to build their own gaming bundles by selecting items from your catalog, perfect for gamers of all levels. Choose from Accordion, step-by-step, or simple layouts to ensure a smooth and engaging user journey. Display component choices using thumbnails, radio buttons, or dropdowns to match your store's design preferences. Manage gaming bundles as individual products with full control over pricing, stock, SEO, and layout options. Let's see our module in action. Here we've created a custom gaming console bundle. It consists of 3 key components: console, controller, and games. For each component, users can choose from various product options. Once an item is selected, they can change the quantity or remove it. You can also set any component as mandatory, ensuring a complete bundle is created. As users make selections, the total price updates automatically. The overall quantity of the complete bundle can also be adjusted. Now, let's take a quick look at the different layout options supported by the module. This is the step-by-step layout, guiding users through each component one by one. You can also display options as radio buttons, dropdowns, or in a clean list view, depending on your design needs. Now let's explore the backend configuration. Creating a new gaming console bundle in the backend involves 3 simple steps. Step 1. Add all individual items, consoles, controllers, and games as standard Prestashop products. Here, we've already added the required products. Step 2. Go to the Gaming Components tab. Create your components, console, controller, and games. Assign products to each component individually, by category, or using tags. You can also define layout options and set quantity rules here. Step 3. Navigate to the Gaming Console Builder tab to assemble the final product. Set the overall price and quantity for the gaming bundle and define its URL. Under the Components section, select the components you created earlier. Choose your preferred layout: simple, step-by-step, or accordion. You can also configure SEO metadata and apply extra shipping charges if needed. With just a few easy steps, you can deliver a fully customizable gaming experience that boosts customer engagement and drives higher order values. Start offering build-your-own gaming bundles today with the Prestashop Custom Gaming Console Builder module.